Hey, what's up YouTube? This is FJ. Going to take a look at a case for the Galaxy ZFold7. And this case is made by SIXBOX. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the for Samsung Galaxy ZFold7 case with hinge protection and screen protector, slim fit design, hard PC, shockproof 360 full body protection for the Galaxy ZFold7. $32.99 on Prime. You can get it in black, blue, purple, green, tan, several colors there. All right, so you see that, you can get it on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you want to get this. All right. Okay, here's the box right here. Fashion case, enjoy life. Not a whole lot on there. You got a little bit of information on the back right there. No tape to cut off. So let's pull this out. See what's in the box here. So this case is kind of similar to the Milken case, but it's got a screen protector on already built in. All right, and this is to clean and stuff like that. So yeah, it's already built in already. You got to peel this off, just the back, and then you can wipe down if you need to. But we're gonna peel this off on the outside here. This is the second part of the case right here. Let's get this out of the way. But as you can see, two-piece case, you got a hinge protection right here. You got a little bit of pattern, so it's going to give it a little bit of grip. Same thing on the back right here. You got a raised area for the camera. In the sides, don't let it come up too high on the back right there. And you got the front piece right here. And this does have a piece of tape on the inside. I won't use that right now because I might not keep this on. But I'll take this off the front as well, so to get that clear look on the front. So this is what you're going to see on the screen right there, right? Let me wipe the screen down on this device before we put this on, but we'll go ahead and get the device, put it on, see how it looks. Okay, we got the ZFold7 right here. We're going to put this this hinge protection. We're going to put this back side on first, and then we put the top screen on. All right, so it snaps in place pretty good, pretty snug fit right there. And then we'll put this one on next. Now I don't normally like to use the built-in screen protectors because sometimes they get that rainbow effect, but this fits pretty nice. So I don't know, I might, and it's pretty responsive, so no problem there. You can use it, pretty responsive there, so no problem there. So it works pretty good. But this is what it looks like. It doesn't add too much bulk. The camera's protected right there. You can see that right there. There's no MagSafe or anything here. You can get to the power buttons, everything easily because it's open up, and you can help. It's going to help you open up the case because you got a raised edge right here that you can grab onto to help you. Now you still got to fight with the other side, but this phone is a lot more difficult to open than the Fold 6. So you have to be careful with that. But the hinge works pretty good. You can see that right there. Open it up. And this hinge, kind of gives you a little bit something to grab onto in the back. So a little more security there. But everything's open on the bottom. You see that right there. The charging port, speaker. Also another speaker over here. And you got your two mic holes up top, the speaker up top as well. Hinge is covered. But it's a nice looking case. It's clean. It fits tight. And nice and tight, so no problem there. And you got your built-in screen protector right there as well, right? So we're gonna check out the wireless charger and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger right here. Let's put this on and see what happens. So wireless charge picked up. Let's stand it up and see what happens there. Picked up wireless charge there as well. All right, let's lay it on the side. So picked up wireless charge there as well. So wireless charge worked pretty good with the case. No issues. Like I said, there's no MagSafe on this, so you're not going to get anything there. But still, I think it's a good case. It's going to offer you some protection, and you'll be able to, feel secure when you have your phone in your hand in case you drop it or something like that. All right. Okay, so that's a quick look at the SIXBOX Galaxy ZFold7 case with hinge protection, built-in screen protector. $32 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. So if you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is FJ. Out.